up your mind with the way I don't whine and they make you the sing song go. Ale, see all them guys one die for my matter. You don't know what till you get until you lose them. Talk to me, oh mama Jacka. I'm a woman, an African woman. Cause every woman loves Shakara, oh, Shakara, oh, cause every woman loves Shakara, oh, Shakara, oh, cause every woman loves Shakara, oh, Shakara, oh, cause every woman loves Shakara, oh. They no games with you. Say my love is true, why you so brown? I know about the guys now, you
It's our first day. Say
it. Nah, our first day.
No, Chief. I mean, you should say it in a proper English.
Okay, may I talk the way you take talk about it?
Exactly.
Okay, it's our first day.
Good. Now that's an improvement. So here.
Excuse me, sir.
Mary?
Sir?
What is it? Can't you see that I'm busy?
But there's a...
But if anything but, I don't want to hear it. I'm very, very busy.
All right, sir.
Yes. Stop. How can you just come and distraction me in what I'm doing?
Chief, actually, the right word is distracting, not distraction. So do you mind saying it now?
Okay. Not distraction in what?
Not distraction.
And distracting.
So say it again.
Distracting.
Good. Now that's an improvement.
I can get the question too.
So we'll take this one. Chief, concentrate.
You use me they play inside this house, Abi. Before you be like Fido the door, fine. You use me play. Anytime when I talk to you, they follow me, they show power inside this house. Abi. Now my husband will say, I don't understand that. If you dey find woman and your type now, you go carry come meet us this house. Maybe they misbehave, they do anyhow. Carry your hand, go up where? And they follow you, they talk, you still they put your hand. You go see what I go do you today. If you not take time, I go. You know what? I go chook you anyhow. I go chook all your waist, your belly. Your intestine will come outside. I go they follow you, they talk.
Madam, I beg. See, no beat them. You say she white. Make she no go tell like paper. I beg, madam, I beg.
Only you are the whole person. Only you are the four. You come. You be black. You black like me.
Madam, I beg.
This one they let me.
Madam, I beg. I beg. Madam, I beg.
See person they call person. He say make it no laugh.
See pot where they call charcoal black.
See pot where they call charcoal, eh? He say make it no laugh, make it no break. Make it no break like paper. You black.
Madam, I beg.
By the way, who call you for this place?
No.
Who call you now? They tell you so.
I just...
Oh yeah, get up me mash come on here. As I see you, so they mash come on here. Okay. If you try
trust your woman, respect your woman, protect your woman, support your woman. Cause every woman loves Shakara.
Hey, so now even the when they look for you all around. Hey, I want to ask you, Seth. So since when you come inside this house, I don't get peace again. My husband know they send me, you know they even look my face. But when you enter this house, don't be teacher work like say you won't come teach him before. Hey!
Oh my God. Are you blind?
You they see?
Is it not obvious? It's glaring to the eyes now. Chief is tired. He's tired of your round, fat, bloated looking self.
I mean, keep quiet, Sama Jare. Let's see they worry you. Let's be your problem.
Mind the way you talk to me. I will not take it, oh. I'm not like those other wives. I will not take it.
Quiet your mouth too. I will not take it. They demonstrate. Don't be all this on here. Should be say, now so shit, knife full inside. Carry and go outside, yeah. Shit, not full inside.
Have you seen your ass?
Uh-huh.
Have you seen your ass?
Yeah.
It's full of shit.
You're on to shit. Shit.
Who wants shit? I don't hear shit. If anybody wants shit, I got tissue. I got tissue. You want shit, man?
Take me for you. I got tissue. Yeah, I did. Who shit? I tell you what shit.
Man, I want shit.
In yours is full of shit. Shit that
Your ass is full of shit. Now get out of here.
Sorry. I just say when I want shit, though. I just say person want shit.
I never date you with you. I never date you with you.
You cannot do me nothing.
I never date you with you. I never date you with you.
You can't do me anything.
Carry and go one
You
side.
can't do me anything. I'm still Chief's favorite.
Don't tell you.
Kill yourself.
You go see us.
Hang yourself.
You say hang yourself.
Protect your woman. Support your woman. Cause every woman loves SHAKER.
Media, you're doing it well. Oh, man, you know, got to go to self. Dear, I'm all one. I got to go to soft too. I got to go to soft too.
Chief,
Hmm?
is that how they barge into your room unannounced?
Who is that? Is that you, Missy?
I don't know their names, so, but I think it's the Yoruba one.
Ah, that must be Yemisi, the Yoruba woman. We had too much in Subu. Wahala is too much for me in this house. I will soon send her out of this house.
So, Chief, where were we?
We are now. You are on top of me. Nah, and we are on top of the bed. You are massaging me.
Chief,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I'm talking about now, don't you?
What is it? Is it about the proposal?
Of course.
Now let me tell you the truth. Eh? You are beautiful. And you are very, very attractive. Yes.
Chief, you say the nicest things to me.
Oh, come here now. What a woman. Now let me not tell you. Eh? If only you allow me to marry you and couple with me, there won't be wahala.
You mean with your wives?
Now, yes, now. Is there no other thing in it?
Who wouldn't want to marry you, Chief? With your influence and your position in this society.
I'm a namer.
Even the devil himself will want to marry you.
You know why?
Neya, teacher, onye nkuzi, is gonna nkuzi kulibezi okuya? She's even lying on her husband's back, naked. See you. Oh, she's even naked.
What is it? Eh? Okay, what is it? I can't believe now.
Well, I have much right as you both in this house.
Hello, phone right.
Tell them.
Only.
Tell them.
Shewu.
Henceforth, you would address me as Mrs. Evelyn Kandoki.
Hey! Oh no, Shidi. Oh no, Omame. Chief. You want to marry your teacher, B?
Okay, up here. How can I do that?
Chief. Omame. Marry this one. Come on, say now.
Do it.
It's now because buy coca.
Come on, continue from where you What is it?
Only. Now, no Shidi. Chief.
What is it?
Ele yoda o.
Oh, Dara, gini ko na ada.
Chief, now wow.
Gini wara.
What is it now?
Okay.
Eh?
Okay. How many times did I call you?
But okay, but
No, come and continue from where she stopped.
Chief, mba me. Omame, Abraham Masus.
You are not Masus. You are not Masus, Akwaya. And you saw Masus that is susuing the susu, and you took her away from me.
Chief, you can afford any kind of masseuse in your life, not the one that's supposed to teach you English. Also going to English now, kuzigazo. Want to talk about Guku? Like want to make her your wife? Oh mama, chief for mama.
I won't put Manchester without United. Akwaya? Yes. Okay, let me ask you. When I paid the phone that gave me your list. Remember, I paid everything. I paid everything.
Before uncle. Before uncle. What you need you now? What you need you?
Your father has not given me shishi. So why will you come to my house and tell me what I will do? In my own house. Are you the one that paid my bride price, or am I the one that paid your bride price?
Chief, give me a kuspanka.
Don't worry. I know what to do. If we should get out from my room. If we should get out from my room.
You marry that girl. You marry that girl.
Trust your woman, respect your woman, protect your woman, support your woman. Every woman
for inside this house. That is why he decided to carry me go room 9. You dey see him?
You slept there?
Not because I sleep there, Shao. But now because I beat that Voka. I beat her well.
Voka?
Yes. Now make I go room 9 go sleep.
You fought with Voka?
She go fit fight me. Me a fe. Me. You don't swear what they carry last before. She go fight me. Now I beat her. Now like this I sit down. No. I carry my... If I tell you what I do that guys, if you no go on sir, I make sure I beat her. I beat her well. I don't stand up beat her. I sit down they beat her. Hey, no go there.
I'm really surprised though. I thought she's the most quiet of all chief's wives.
You say?
Yeah.
The most quiet. Why you say they talk like that? But look that girl, say that girl quiet. That girl a pretender, and they say pretender is always doing the worst. As if like Fido Dido, I don't know where they carry and come from. So, but I work for chief. Chief no they won't see. Anything when you see now in the chop. No go there. Anything when you just see where they present, give I go just chopper. Go carry that can't see come house. Say they do I like. Hey. Chief said, wow. I never understand. Any of the way doing here, they could see any here.
It's okay, madam. It's okay.
Oh, go there. Hey, you said they give them the information. Anybody will do any here, go do it. You go see any here.
Trust your woman, respect your woman, protect your woman, support your woman. What's every woman love? SHAKER.
Leave our husband alone. 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 Oh yeah, oh. Leave our husband alone. Ifo. Leave our husband alone. Leave our husband alone. Ifo. Leave our husband alone. OG. 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 Leave our husband alone. Leave our husband alone. Leave our husband. OG. OG. Leave our husband alone. Leave our husband alone. Oh yeah. Leave our husband alone. Ifo. Leave our husband rubbish. If I catch you, you came here to snatch our husband.
Mona pizza.
I thought you were
Mona pizza.
I thought you were shaking your bum bum. Mona, shake your bum bum again.
Mona pizza, where Mona pizza. Pound on now.
Sit on her back. Yes. Sit. Sit on her. Oh, sit on her. Sit on her. You use this weight on her. You snatch it.
Matcha. You people sit on top of her.
This woman.
Pizza, Mona.
Stop it.
Come on, will you get out of here? I beg you. Mona continue to the pizza.
No, you can't get now.
Beat down, where? Beat that shit.
No. You don't marry again, Abi.
Trust your woman, respect your woman, protect your woman, support your woman.
Yes, that is what your mama bought for me. Don't worry. I'm a good guy. I will finish you in this house today.
My love.
Sweetheart. How are you? Good.
What's making that noise?
If you see what I just saw now.
What did you see?
A very big rat.
Wait, rat! I hate rat.
There is a very big rat.
Baby, I hate rat.
Yes, I know you hate rat.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I hate rat.
Yes, that's why I'm preparing this koboko. No, don't worry, I got your
big rat.
Yes.
Will you kill it?
Yes. Yes, I will kill it back to back. Yes. How do you want me to hit it? From this side or here?
Kill it, baby. Just
Yes.
kill it.
I
I don't like rats.
Trust me.
I'm so scared.
I got you. Don't have to be scared. Whoa. Why you open my door like that? Why you don't knock before entering this my room?
Now me they ask that kind of question. When your mother English enter here, she knock.
Now you go tell me who go knock my door.
I beg, I no fish out. Now my pikin are fine.
Go find your pikin where you keep her. You keep your pikin here. Huh?
I beg. What be that cat? What the knock door like that?
They are very big giant rats.
Rat.
Yes, there's a rat in there.
Yes.
This is not gonna feed the rat too. Now human being dey inside that place.
There's a very big rat in there.
I said na human being, not be rat. Ha!
It's a rat.
Now my pikin no produce my pikin for me. I no fit shout abeg.
Baby, don't go.
Anyways,
Baby.
if you say is a human being, we will not take it as human rats. Human rats.
Baby, don't go.
Wetin making get me hunger?
Please.
Oh, please,
baby.
sir.
Is a human rat.
Baby.
Human rat.
Baby, be careful. I hate rats.
Come on. Come on. Back up. Lie down. Lie down. What? Lie down.
What's this?
Lie down. So if finally you don't burn thief for me, keep for this house, Abi. You burn thief. Thief. Keep for this house for me, Abi. What did I go do you today? I don't know what